What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna do a mod that I've wanted to do. Just think it's cool. I don't know, it's kind of common on the Terminators, although you don't really see it, and it's underneath that. So popping the trunk, you can see the new Edge cars, SN95 cars, came with nothing underneath there. S197 and S550s have a kind of a trim piece. So you can get custom ones like I have right here. This is from Grand Design Matte, and I'm thinking about putting it right underneath there. So this is what we have. It's a really nice trunk mat, high quality, it's thick. It looks like the OEM carpeting. I don't know what this is, if this is cardboard or something, or wood or something, or MDF, I don't know, but it's pretty strong. Now this does look white, but underneath here these are chrome. I don't know if you can even see that, but it does have the protective cover. I figured it'll look good with these chrome Cobra letters that are on the back of the car. I kind of like the white, I'm not gonna lie, but I think once these are off and, you know, chromed out, I think it'll look good. These are designed to go with these right here. There are holes drilled, and it comes with kind of, you know, trim panel clips, which would require you to drill holes all underneath here. And I know that everybody does that, but I'm just not a fan. I did see a video by PFMustang, really good guy. He's got a beautiful Mr. Chrome 04, and he used command strips to mount this. So that's what we're going to do. And let's take a look at those strips. So what we have here is a pack of 10 pairs actually of super heavy duty command strips. Each of them are supposed to be able to hold 20 pounds. So I figure if I can get, like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, and double that up, 6, and maybe one over here, I'm not sure. I mean, it's got to be able to hold this thing up. This thing's not that heavy. And what I like is that I don't have to drill any holes, and you can remove these command strips if you wanted to in the future. I don't know why I would, but I like to have that option. I will leave a link in the description where you can pick these up. They really weren't expensive, and I can always use the extras around the house. Let's see if we can get this thing mounted. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the inside of the trunk, and now I'm gonna put these on here and then remove the sticky back and press this up, and hopefully we will have a mounted underneath trunk mount without any holes drilled. So it's up, it's holding, I closed it. The only thing that's kind of annoying is this electrical wire is rubbing against the weather stripping. When you close it, it makes like a squeaking noise, but I mean, once it's closed, she's good. She closes, good. She opens, good. And now, best of all, we can peel these beautiful chrome letters off. Oh, that looks sweet. So she is all done, and it looks great. And this carpet color, I mean, they were spot on for the inside trunk carpet. Great work here. You can't even, I mean, I don't care about the holes that used to be used for those pins. The only thing I would say, if I could go back, I would kind of notch this a little bit so this wiring has more room to breathe, but it's not life or death. As you can see, it will work fine. Nothing bad is going to happen. And yeah, this thing really isn't moving much, I'll be quite honest with you, and it gives it a nice finished look. So if you're interested in getting one of these, check out Grand Design Mats. They do really high quality. Special shout out to PFMustang. Like I said, I will put a link down in the description to his video on his beautiful Mr. Chrome that he did pretty much the same thing. I think I added 2 more pieces of command strip, but it did work out well. And like I said, I got some extras. Give that to the wife. We can definitely use it around the house.
Several days later.
So let's see how it looks. And yeah, it fell. Okay, so we put 1 extra one there, 1 extra one there. All right, so now that we have just those ones on the end here, you can see this is now sitting flush like it was before, but this is now sitting pretty flush. I mean, it's a little out, but that's because of the wire. But the good news is this wire is not in the way any longer. And hopefully, I'm gonna check back in about a day or 2. This shouldn't go anywhere.
1 week later.
So after all the work with those command strips, it just didn't work. So I ended up drilling a hole here, 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 and there. And I'm just gonna mount it with the push pins. Let's see how it goes. So there you go, it's up. Install really wasn't that bad. Once you get over the phobia of kind of, drilling in, I stepped it up, I marked it, and then I went with a 1/8 drill bit, then I went with a 15/64, then I went up to the 1/4 inch, which is what I think Grand Design recommends. And then once you have the holes drilled, essentially what's holding these up are those Christmas tree fasteners. The good thing is Grand Design gives you them. I don't know if you can see it. Here's one right here. You can barely make it out all the way up front. It's got the same texture, the same cloth as the mat. So back here, it's just perfect. I love the way it looks. It's a shame I had to drill. I really wanted to make the, those command strips work. I didn't try super powered Velcro like that Easy Pass Velcro, but I don't know. You know what? It's not gonna fall anymore. Like I said, getting over the phobia was the worst part. It does look amazing. I'm surprised that Ford never put something on here like they did on the S187s, I think, but just wanted to give you a quick update on that. So yeah, man, mat is up, and what do you gotta do? That ain't going nowhere. Now it truly will. So all in all, yeah, I drilled the holes. Like I said, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Now it's not going anywhere, and it looks great. So I just wanted to make an update to the video to show you that I couldn't make it work. I believe it was PFMustang who made it work on his Mr. Chrome 04 Cobra. And you know what? That's awesome. It didn't work for me. Yeah, I ended up drilling anyway. So thanks a lot for watching this video. And if you like it, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to get all the latest Mustang content here on the channel. I'll see you in the next one.